Hello everyone, special hello to all the parents of little ones. The lives have been very tough, right? I think not just from the past few weeks, but I think it's been more than a year and we are still learning to just live with it. All of us are going through pain, but you know what? Children are feeling more painful because I'm very sure that they will never understand why the whole world turned so weird to them. No to ice creams, no going out, no going to school, no meeting friends. There are many no's for them and it has become really tough for them. So here is an initiative that we have taken up from Story Labs to conduct many workshops at very minimal cost. The intention behind this is really simple. We just want children to be happy and we want to engage them with the quality products. Starting from storytelling, music until archaeology and photography, we are going to touch upon variety of concepts for different age groups. I'm going to give you all the details, the program details, the contact details and the registration link in the description. So all of you who are interested can please go ahead, do your registrations and we'll be more happy to see you all in our sessions. The first workshop that we are going to conduct on this Saturday, the theme is going to be Wake Up the Artist in You. And the age group is 6 to 8 years. Children can just come up and perform whatever they are interested in. And even for this, please don't stress children to prepare and prepare well for the performance or something of that sort. We would actually talk to the children, know their interests, and if this is going to be spontaneous, this is going to be interactive, we would just talk to them, know their interests, and we would ask them to perform something on that. So all the details are given in the description. You can go ahead, do your registrations. Also, you can contact us for any sort of queries. That is pretty much about the workshops. I'll keep you posted on the upcoming workshops soon. Take care and thank you.